Hi, my name is Blair, and this is my video interview for the Illinois State University graduate program. One of the greatest impacts of my life has been my grandma's battle with cancer. She was the most loving and courageous person I've ever known, and walking with her during her battle and losing her changed not only the way I live my life, but my way of thinking. I was only 8 years old when she was diagnosed, so I was too young to understand everything, but I was old enough to know that it was difficult. We stayed many days and weeks with her at the cancer treatment centers, and we had the opportunity to meet people who were also fighting this terrible disease. And they looked different from what I'd seen before. Many had no hair, were in wheelchairs, had pumps and cords, and it was scary at first, but we were able to play games, make crafts, attend church, and even pray with them. There weren't many kids at the cancer center, so my sister and I got quite a lot of attention during game and craft time, and we loved getting to know everyone. My grandma often worried about how it would affect my sister and I seeing all that we did at such a young age, but I actually consider it a gift. It taught me so much about loving and caring for others and opening up my world to see that everyone is fighting a battle. It's also since led me to explore other opportunities of serving people. After my grandma passed, I really missed spending time with her, so I pursued an opportunity to candy stripe at a local nursing home. I loved volunteering and spending time with the residents, and often I would call my mom and ask if I could stay after my shift to play games with them. It was sad when someone passed, but I felt blessed having known them and even more realized the importance of loving and caring for people. I also started volunteering at our children's church service, where I met a young girl with Rett syndrome who was unable to communicate. Occasionally, I would spend time with her so her parents could run errands or go on a date. At first, it was awkward because I didn't truly understand her syndrome and I had difficulty finding ways to communicate with her. I started to imagine what it would be like to not be able to express needs and wants and opinions, and I realized how much I had taken my ability to communicate for granted. She was eventually able to obtain an AAC device, and seeing the benefit was inspiring. Communicating things like her shoes being too tight and telling her mom and dad that she loved them opened up this whole new world, not just for her, but for her family. Communication is such a vital skill, and there's so many areas to pursue in helping others. I'm thankful for the journey I've taken and the people I've met along the way, because they've taught me the compassion and the ability to see the world through other people's eyes. It's inspired me to continuously ask the question, how can I serve others in a positive way that will influence their quality of life? I've witnessed the lives changed when given the opportunity to communicate, and I'm hopeful to continue to pursue my education that will lead me towards a career in speech-language pathology. I appreciate your time and consideration for selection of the Illinois State University 2020 cohort. Thank you.